We did get hit with some late weekend showers, and some of those are on the heavier side. But now here we are with a beautiful Monday underway, partly sunny to mostly sunny skies into the afternoon. And I'm sure you have noticed, if you've been outside, it's hard not to, how much lower the humidity it is and just how much more comfortable it is out there. Now, on the MaxTrack, as we pop out east and check out Jackson's next rad, there are still some hints of at least sprinkles, isolated showers hanging in to far eastern Kentucky counties. So this is the very tail end of the rain that came through over the weekend. We had a lot of low cloud cover and some drizzle hanging in this morning, and still just a hint of some occasional showers around. Where most of that activity is going to be is right around the low as you get up around the Great Lakes. You can see it spiraling around Milwaukee, Lake Michigan. Some of those showers getting as far south as down around Indy, but I think a lot of that's going to stay displaced off toward north. So there's the rainfall from the past 24 hours. Some folks hardly saw anything, and some got swamped with over an inch of rain. Frankfort, Somerset was close to 2 inches there. Pretty good soaking down towards London as well. So we're done with that, and that's pretty much it for the rain chance for the rest of the week. We've got that very low end possibility in there for those sprinkles and isolated showers out of our eastern Kentucky. But this low is just ever so slowly going to work its way east over the next couple of days. Cold front well off toward the Virginia Beach area and the East Coast for that matter. Once the low departs, the bit of wind that we're going to deal with and the potential for a little extra cloud cover Tuesday, I'm a little more optimistic as far as the sunshine is concerned. Once that low is out of here, high pressure ridges in behind it, which is going to extend the quiet stretch that we're going to enjoy. So the weather's just flat out beautiful. Now, at the surface, but also aloft, you've got low pressure. That's what that blue blob is an indication of, an upper level low. So this is the main driver behind this unseasonably cool air that we've gotten, as well the unsettled weather they're going to continue to see over the Great Lakes. It'll keep us, since we're far enough south, on the dry side. There could be isolated showers tomorrow up towards, say, Covington or something, northern Kentucky. What it's going to do is keep the temperature suppressed as well. Highs in the low to mid 70s. Low to mid 70s is the average high in Lexington in early October. So, yeah, a little bit of a fall preview going on here. I mean, it's 69 degrees out there. It's still 64 out in Mount Sterling, 66 right now in Moorhead. And there's that important number, the dew point. To put that into perspective, when it's really steamy out there, you've got dew points usually in the 60s, definitely 70s. We're way down in the 50s, so we're in that nice, comfy range, very dry air in place. It just feels really good. And that drier air, this is the dew point going on over the next couple of days, is going to stay entrenched. So it's not going away anytime soon, which means we're going to stay really comfortable until we start to see high pressure ridging east and into the weekend, as when we'll start to see the heat and the humidity building. I mean, you can just follow the trend upwards, the upward trend. So by Wednesday, we're around 80, and then we'll likely have some low to mid 80s on the way. But I mean, it's not a tremendous heat spike. Our normal high today is 82, and we're talking about getting into the low to mid 80s this weekend. So warm, but not crazy warm. 72 today, clouds slowly breaking. We've already done that. Definitely cooler and drier, as we discussed. Mid 50s, mostly clear. Could be some patchy fog tonight. And the 8-day forecast, well, beyond the beautiful day that we have today, well, guess what? There are more lined up as we run you out. There's just not much in the way of a rain chance anytime soon. Just that bit of heat building for the upcoming weekend.